Hey guys, Ruben with Tarp System here in East Dundee. I'm going to show you a flatbed trailer XP55 by Extreme. We have this for sale and I'll show you why this is better than other brands. I'm going to start with having the part numbers on all the little items. Big or small, you are going to have a part number on any little thing on this trailer. So if you need a replacement, you just read the part number and you know what to order. A second thing would be this little plate in the top. It's a plate on the decking. You got about a foot wide by 3.5 feet long. It is removable. So if you need to service your kingpin a little later, you have that plate as ability to service it much quicker. This unit is 53 by 102. This is already prepped for a tarping system, which is lights instead of being on the side of the rub rail, we dropped it down from the factory. And then the second thing what we did is we applied a DOT tape on the main frame. So whenever you're going to come with your tarping system covering this DOT tape, that is going to be visible in legal DOT. Decking of this trailer, it's full aluminum. It's got anti-skid floor, you can see, and then it's got 2 of the apatong wood. It also on the sides, it's got a J-hook channel, so you can use your J-hooks just on the side. Rub rail, it's standard. Now on the winches, we've got it equipped with 12 winches. You can add how many you want. You can add winches to driver's side and passenger side. Also, Extreme, it's going to build a winch track that's got a strap tie bar incorporated. So whenever you use your straps with flat hook, you can use this part to hook it up. When this is the legal right to do and the good stuff to do. Sometimes people use the rub rail, but the best is to use this strap tie bar underneath. We got a safety feature with this light. It's going to show you whenever you're locked in position, your rear axles are locked in position, this light is going to be green at all times. Whenever you want to slide it, this is going to show red. Here are the instructions. So this is a nice safety feature. Following with a manual dump valve. Whenever you want to drop air from your bags, you just have this manual valve, and whenever you want to slide the axle, you have this knob. There's just one knob operation. You come from your truck, you switch the knob, you slide the axles, you come, bring it back, done deal. Very easy operation. It's full aluminum trailer. The coil area, it's a 6-foot space in this trailer. Being an XP55, that means that the frame, it's got the rating of 55,000 pounds in 4 foot. So you can technically, you can haul a coil that's going to be 55,000 pounds. This is on a 6-foot area. You have multiple cross members welded through the inside of the main frame. Coming over in the middle, we have this equipped with a aluminum air tank. This is never going to rust, and this also is going to save weight. You have this little release here to release the air from your air tank. We have got on this trailer a Meritor suspension. It's galvanized. So again, suspension is never going to rust because it's galvanized. Tires are Road X. So this is an import tire. It's a good flatbed tire. Size, it's 22.5 Low Pro. We got outside aluminum wheels, inside steel. Rear axle slide. On the back, we have equipped this with regular DOT bumper. This is called Fleet DOT bumper. If you come over and want to film this from the back, the reason why I like to go with the Fleet DOT bumper is not about fanciness, but it's about efficiency. With this, it's very simple to repair. You got a few bolts here. If you damage it, you remove those bolts, you remove the bolts on top, and you fix it. You're gonna have damages sometime. I hope you're not, but sometime if you get damages, very easy to replace and cheap to fix it. You got regular lights, you got the license plate holder, and then on the other side, we have got one big toolbox that we installed. It is 60 long by 24 by 24. It is attached to the cross members. It has no frames, no holes into the frame. Light wise, it's got minimum lights, which is minimum DOT required. One in the back, one in the middle, and one in the front. This trailer, the major advantage that Extreme has got, this trailer weighs 8,900 pounds. So you're not gonna be able to beat the weight of this trailer. With this having in mind, you can install a tarping system on it, and then you might be able to hold 48,000 pounds with a 53 feet and a tarping system. If you wanna see more videos, if you wanna see what we do, how we repair trailers, just follow us and keep in touch.